So how do you search for old photos on Google? Let me explain what is possible and how you can approach this. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So, so you open up the Google on a Safari, for example. I'm going to switch to the images and I can look something up, right? So I can type in New York into the search, right? And it's going to show me the images of New York. But if I scroll through the available things like the tools and options, I can get to the search tools at the end and choose the time right there, right? So as you can see, I can tap on any time or choose it from past 24 hours, week, month, or year. So the oldest option in here we have is the past year, but I guess we can pick that and choose it as such. However, the best way to look that up would be to just type in the year into the search, right? So if I type in New York in 1950, right? You can see that I typed that in and I have the older images in there. So it depends on what the goal is, but these are the ways we can kind of get at the older images if that's what we are going after. If I come back to these search tools, you could also notice that there is also the advanced search thing, so you can look up some specific things and filter it out by size, aspect ratio, colors, and so on. But as you can see, it doesn't have any ability to filter by time, right? So these are the options we have available. Let me know if you were able to find what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna talk to you later in the future uploads.